In behalf of the team, happy birthday. Thank you for all the support. The team didn't make the ultimate goal, but made history by reaching the finals. Hoping that we get the championship after 1 or 2 years. Happy birthday.
Sir Herbert, I'm so thankful I have met a person like you. You've been a blessing to a lot of people, especially sa team ng NU right now. If without your family, maybe hindi pa natin narating. At malapit na boss, isang hakbang na lang, magsa-champion na tayo. Again, happy birthday. Wish you good health. Stay fit. Kasi bagay sa inyo, sir. Happy birthday.
Sir, happy birthday po. At saka salamat po sa lahat ng mga tulong na ibigay sa amin. At saka medyo hindi natin na buhay yung gusto natin makuha this year. Maybe next year sigurado na yan. Saka ang wish ko is sana good health kayo. At saka yung wala nang iba. Yun lang kasi meron na kayo lang. Salamat po. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sir Herbert. I'd like to say thank you for everything. Thank you for your support and enthusiasm with our sport. I know we fell short this year, but next year, I promise you,
I know, but for me,
meron
because
kaming regalo sa iyong malaki. Happy birthday again.
Go.
Hi sir, happy birthday po. 57 na po kayo. Sana po 57 more years pa. And have a happy life and good health. Thank you.
Start now. Okay.
Hi Sir Herbert, just wanted to say happy birthday and thank you for everything you've done for not only me but my family. Thank you, happy birthday!
Hi sir, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat sir. Sorry po kasi nung hindi kami nagsuot ng swimsuit. Sorry po talaga. Birthday Sir Herbert. Wish you more birthdays to come and good health. Thank you po sa lahat sir. Sa pagpapastay sa team. Thank you, happy birthday.
Hi, Sir Herbert. Happy birthday. God bless. Thank you for everything and stay healthy. Happy birthday, Glenn.
Hi Sir, happy birthday po. Wish you po health. Salamat po sa tiwala na binigay niyo sa akin kahit na lagi po akong pumapalpak. Tinutulungan niyo pa rin ako, tapos hindi niyo pa rin po ako nalagay. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday po.
Hi Sir Herbert, happy birthday po. Wish you all the best po. Thank you po sa lahat na binibigay niyo sa amin. Sorry po kung hindi kami nag-swimsuit. Yun lang po. Wish you all the best po. Sir, happy birthday. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga sa amin, sa pag-suporta. Happy birthday po ulit. More power.
Happy birthday Sir Herbert. I wish you have a great day today and good health and sana maging successful yung business nyo. And sana okay yung family. God bless. Hi sir, happy birthday po. Thank you po sa lahat ng binigay niyo sa amin. Dahil sa'yo, alam mo kami dito. And more birthday to us po. Happy birthday po sir.
Hi sir, happy birthday po. Hindi ko mababayaan yung sarili mo. Thank you po sa mga
Happy birthday, Sir Herbert. I wish you all the best. May the good Lord bless you because you are a blessing to everyone. Thank you po sa lahat. Love you.
Hi sir, happy birthday. God bless po. Thank you po sa lahat. Bye.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Birthday ko ka. Thank you po sa support ko. Kami po namin ako yung championship po, yung champion. Subukan po namin yung first time para po. Thank you po sa lahat ng binibigay niyo sa amin. wish you all the best. Ingat ka po lagi. Happy birthday! Thank you po!
Boss, happy birthday, boss. Advance happy birthday, boss. More birthday, boss, na darating po sa buhay niyo. And God bless, boss. Salamat po, boss. Maraming po salamat sa mga biyaya na natanggap namin. Po, galing po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. At happy birthday, boss.